Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your system and clearing obvious overlays so they don't force the bar visible. Open the Settings app now and navigate to Display, then to Taskbar or Dock Preferences. Once there, turn on the Auto Hide option. This immediately tells the OS to retract the bar when not in use. You do this now to make sure video players have full screen control. Make sure to leave the video player window selected so the system registers the full screen request. Once Auto Hide is enabled, use the player's native full screen command, press F11 or the on-screen full screen button, because that triggers system behavior differently than zooming. Next, ensure no utility has pinned the taskbar as always on top. Disable those apps or their settings so Auto Hide can work. Then click inside the video to give it focus. Many systems keep the bar visible if another foreground element claims focus. This combination forces the task to finish. Test playback in both your browser and a native player because different apps interact with the taskbar differently. If the bar still appears, restart the Explorer process on Windows or restart the dock on macOS. This refreshes UI state. If that seems heavy, toggle Auto Hide off then on again. It's a fast state reset. If problems persist, check for background apps that request notification banners. Those temporarily force visibility. That single restart or toggle resolves most cases quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.